Oh my goodness. You've got to see what I got. Let me adjust camera just a little bit. I thought I had it framed out just right. There we go. I finally got to do some clearance shopping at Hobby Lobby. Basically, what we've been trying to do, my dad and I, after we go eat, then we go shopping somewhere where I can push him in the wheelchair instead of someplace that has a electric cart. And that way I'm getting physical exercise after lunch and he's getting to activate his mind a little bit from the food. Y'all had to excuse me, Coda wanted in. So today we chose Hobby Lobby after having lunch with my youngest daughter. She's now an Aggie. Anyway, so I wanted to share this with you. Yes, I'm so proud of her. Okay, and I'm not going to tell you how much I paid for it till afterwards, because you've got to know how much I paid for it, because then you're going to make a trip to Hobby Lobby. Okay, and some of this stuff is not necessarily crafty, but some is. Most of it is. Some of it's decorating. No, really, most of it's decorating. Okay, this, okay, not telling you how much. It was regular $5.99. And I'm going to put a chalk couture saying that I already have on here and save it for next year. Okay. Then this already had this, but I can always paint this. And this regular was $7.99. And the Happy St. Patrick's Day. My mother's about the only one in the family that celebrated St. Patrick's Day. It was not a big thing in our household. My mother was Irish, very much Irish, the kind that got sunburned 5 minutes after being in the sun. And so, as a tribute to her, I'm doing this. And for this kind of prices, okay, I'm not showing you the receipt. You can't see it. No. Out of sight, out of mind right now. Okay, yes, they're decorating. Got these cute little leprechauns. Oh, there's one more. It must be in the other sack. All three of them are different. Aren't they cute? This one's got a little snail. This one's got a little squirrel. And I've never really been able to decorate for St. Patrick's Day. And my name being Patricia, I think it's kind of cool that I'm going to get to do that now. Okay, we'll find that other little man in a minute. Oh, here he is. And he lost one of his pots of gold. He's supposed to have two on each side. Now, each one of these were $4.99 regular price. Now, you know how Hobby Lobby does it. 40% off, 50% off, 60% off, and so on. But, this one has a bird on his shoulder. And there's another pot of gold in there that he's balancing on his stick behind his neck. Those were so cute. So cute, so cute. I got a bucket. And it's just $1.99 regular price. No biggie. Okay. Stickers, $2.99. St. Patrick's, $2.99. Somebody got a calculator so you can calculate all these. Even my dad was shocked. $2.99 and $2.99. Now, if for no other reason, because of the discount, I could use just the little green gems on here, or the little, these kind of look like hearts. Actually, I think they are. You know, and I could cut those off if I needed to use them. And you never know what I'll do with these. These are full and these are just glittery. So, okay, we got that. Then we got these. They're foam shaped, covered with glitter for decoration. But you never know what I could come up with. They could put a stick on them and stick them in cupcakes. So, now these are window cleans, but they're the gel kind. Because I already have some window cleans for St. Patrick's. Because you can get from CRICUT the window clean vinyl. That is so awesome. But these are the gel. So, I really should learn how to make those. That shouldn't be hard because of the Pueblo paints you could probably get. I wonder if those little hearts come out. Oh well. Okay, we'll find out next March. And then some clover stickers. And they're all different sizes. Not just one size. Just peel them off and stick. And they are foam, so they have some dimension. So I can see making some neat little signs for St. Patrick's, or to put on greeting cards. And then a little sign that said Irish. Okay, I'm not going over into that other yet. Oh, that may be it. No, here's some more. Okay, now these are the kind that sit on things. See? I get these to sit on the edge in front of on the TV entertainment, and I usually get them at the dollar store. But these are so cute, and like I said, all three are different. I usually put one in the middle and then two on each side, and I don't mind the kids playing with these. So it's a decoration I don't worry about getting broke. Okay, and these were $3.99. Let's see, how much was this sign? Those stickers were $5.99 regular, and those scatter and fillers, they called them, for St. Patrick's Day, the foam ones, were $4.99. Okay, I know I'm off camera with most of this stuff, but I wanted to have room to show you. Let me scoot it over so you can still see it. I don't think I've ever done a haul with y'all except for my Chalk Couture stuff. Okay, we've got coins, decoration, cards, so many things you could do with these. Drill a hole in them. And I got 2 packs of those. They were regular $2.99. You know, Hobby Lobby, so at least 40% off when they first came out. Okay, and I think this is the last of the St. Oh, there's that pot of gold. Let's get it back on there. And I've got to find a box to pack these in. I like clear boxes to pack all my decorations in so I don't have to go hunting. Okay, and these are $3.99, and I think this is, yeah, it's a garland. Because I didn't notice the string in there until later. So you've got string running through it, so you can hang that wherever I put these others to make a little decoration corner with. Okay, now I'm tickled about this stuff. They had their garden friends on clearance, and maybe once I've seen stuff there for clearance. Regular $4.99. This is, you're going to know how much I paid for it. 2 little frogs, and my dad just did another garden out in the front yard. Footprints, 75 cents, regular $2.99. A door. I don't know where I would fit this door. I've got to figure that out. $1.25. A little gate. 99. My garland friends. Now these poke down into the ground, so you can stick them anywhere around your little garden. And I don't have any fairies right now, but with gnomes being popular, I may do a little gnome garden. for that front garden instead of fairies. And I've already got a few little gnomes that could go in there. Okay, $4.99 down to $1.25. So what is that, 75% off? Something like that? So, I had to show you what I got, what I found all at Hobby Lobby. And I'm tickled because I haven't even been what I call clearance shopping anywhere for almost 3 years now. So I was very tickled over this. And as I paid for it, and then the cashier told my dad how much it was. Not because he was paying, but just so he didn't get shocked about all this stuff, because he kept saying, she's just spending money. She's just throwing away money. That's my dad. And he couldn't figure out how I got my daughter today. Where my daughter came from when we were eating lunch. It was hilarious. We just looked at him and said, you know, I have 2 daughters. Really? he couldn't believe it. Where did I get those daughters? When did that happen? So he must be thinking that I'm still that little girl, you know, at the house. Okay, St. Patrick's stuff, and then the clearance stuff, and then I actually bought something I needed because macrame's coming back, guys. Whether you're doing macrame wall hangings, my grandkids have been using it with the paracord, doing regular macrame knots. You know, you do a single or a double, or all the different things you can combine to make pot hangers, plant hangers, I should say. Something we did back in the 70s, late 70s, early 80s, and it's coming back. And I didn't have any T-rings, because all you need is some T-pins, not T-rings, and they're 50% off this week. So something that was $3.99 regular, I got for $2. So I was tickled about that. Okay, Hobby Lobby. Where's that receipt? Oh, I stuck it out of the way. Do y'all want to hear? All of this, $18.33. As I was walking out of the store, you know, Dad's not all with us, and I said, Daddy, how much did I just spend? Even though the cashier had told him directly how much it all was. He said, how much did she spend? And I asked him, I asked him as that I was leaving, you know, pushing him in the chair. I said, Dad, how much do you think all that cost me? He says, oh, at least $40 or $50. You spent way too much. And I just laughed and giggled, and I said, Daddy, that was $18. You've got to be kidding. No wonder you were buying so much. So even he was tickled. And that's always something I like to see. So I might get to go more clearance shopping now. And I do need to make a craft run and get some more clearance stuff there. Definitely. This is decorations, but stuff that I can make crafts with. And this is Fairy Garden Craft. And I do some sculpty projects doing a fairy garden. And I may just get out some clay one day and I'll record making some of the stuff I do for that. So, look forward to that. So, till I see you next time, with the luck of the Irish, or as our Chalk Couture sign would say, who needs luck when you've got this much charm? Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.